Have you ever felt like your credit score was a roller coaster ride, with sudden drops that seem inexplicable? One of the most common culprits behind these unexpected dips is the credit reporting agencies. Today, we're diving deep into how to dispute TransUnion on Credit Karma, a process that can potentially restore your creditworthiness and give you peace of mind. Credit Karma is a popular platform that provides free access to your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. While it's a valuable tool, it's essential to understand that Credit Karma doesn't actually report your credit information. Instead, it pulls data from the credit bureaus to present you with a snapshot of your financial health. Understanding credit disputes. A credit dispute occurs when you challenge the accuracy of information on your credit report. This can be anything from incorrect personal details to fraudulent accounts or late payments that you didn't incur. While it might seem daunting, disputing errors on your credit report can have a significant impact on your financial future. Why dispute TransUnion on Credit Karma? Incorrect information, errors on your credit report can lead to higher interest rates, difficulty obtaining loans, and even job rejection. Fraudulent activity. If you've been the victim of identity theft, disputing fraudulent accounts is crucial to protect your financial well-being. Late payments. If you believe a late payment was reported in error, disputing it can help improve your credit score. Steps to dispute TransUnion on Credit Karma. Log into your Credit Karma account. The first step is to access your Credit Karma dashboard and navigate to the TransUnion section. Identify the error. Carefully review your credit report to pinpoint the inaccurate information. Pay attention to details such as account numbers, dates, and amounts. Gather evidence. Collect any supporting documentation that can prove the error. This might include canceled checks, receipts, or letters from creditors. File a dispute. Credit Karma provides a convenient online dispute form. Fill out the form accurately and attach any necessary evidence. Follow up. After submitting your dispute, Credit Karma will send it to TransUnion. It's essential to follow up after a reasonable amount of time to ensure that your dispute is being processed. Tips for a successful dispute. Be specific. Provide as much detail as possible about the error to help TransUnion investigate efficiently. Provide evidence. Supporting documentation strengthens your claim and increases the likelihood of a successful dispute. Be patient. The dispute process can take time, so be patient and persistent. Consider professional help. If you're struggling with the dispute process or have complex issues, consulting a credit repair professional might be beneficial. Additional considerations. Dispute all three bureaus. If the error appears on all three credit bureaus, it's important to dispute it with each one individually. Monitor your credit report. After resolving the dispute, continue to monitor your credit report regularly to ensure that the error has been corrected. Understand the impact of disputes. While disputing errors can be beneficial, it's important to note that the process might temporarily affect your credit score. Disputing TransUnion on Credit Karma is a valuable tool for protecting your financial health. By following the steps outlined in this video and providing clear evidence, you can increase your chances of successfully resolving errors on your credit report. Remember, taking proactive steps to maintain the accuracy of your credit information is essential for achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.